Guys, this is just a quick giveaway announcement. I'm gonna put this up tomorrow. It's additional content with tomorrow's video, maybe tomorrow's video. Haven't decided, wasn't happy with that. But if you're watching on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. Mike here. Just wanted to throw it out there so that future Mike always forgets. If you haven't checked out the merch store, there's a lot of stuff in there. I got sweatshirts, I got t-shirts, I got coffee cups. There's a link in the description. If you want to support the channel, all the sales go to the merch store and providing the stuff, but then it also, I get a portion of the take of it. So like I said, merch store, sweatshirts, t-shirts, coffee cups, they're all really nice. Now, back to future Mike so he can tell you about a knife. All right, so I'm just gonna do one video announcement for both items that are going up. So what we're doing this month is for everyone, I'm giving away the CJRB Myalia. This is a nice little knife. It's never really been carried. I only just did a quick review because it just wasn't a knife that I could really carry a lot, but I'll be giving it away. This is a knife, the action on this is great. Nice little knife. So here's the deal with this one. Your entry is your comment. One comment per person. Please don't try to stack the deck. I do filter out the duplicates and if somebody's replying and it's not a unique comment. But the fact is, if it feels like you're multiple commenting to try and stack the deck your direction, I will take those comments down and you'll be disqualified from this giveaway. Not from all of them, but from this one. The second thing is I can only do giveaways for the US. The fact is, most of these things I can't send to Canada through customs, so US-based members only. Your comment is your entry. So this is the CJRB Myalia in ARRPM 9 steel. Nice little knife. I did a review about it if you'd like to go back and look at it. So the other item, which is for the paying members only. So this is going to be, the rules on this are, if you're a paying member, you don't have to do anything except just be a paying member. Except the only two tiers that are going to be in this giveaway are the premium tier and the basic tier. The just looking tier, which is I think it's $2 a month. That only gets you access from now on. That only gets you access to early released videos. So if this is a Ferrum Forge Prolix new inbox, this was gifted to the channel as a giveaway. This is the Ferrum Forge Designs Prolix. Nice little knife. Great little warny edge. So if you would like to get in on this, what you would have to do is become a paying member of the channel, and there are always links below that will take you to my affiliates and to my membership tab so that you can join and pick your tiers. Like I said, second and medium and top tiers are the ones that are entered into this for this knife. Nice little knife. Elliot gave it to the channel. Thank you, Elliot. And if you don't follow Ferrum Forge on Instagram, you probably should because they do a lot of really nice stuff and they've helped me out a lot, and I would really appreciate if you support them as well. So that's it, guys. That's this month's giveaway. I'm sorry it took so long. Today's the 15th. I will end this on the 1st and we'll do the live giveaway drawing. I will pick the names and everybody's comments live like I always do. So let's go ahead and try and get those membership numbers up. If you guys like the videos, please share it with people. I would like to see the channel subscriber numbers bump up a lot. So you guys take it easy. I love you all. Be kind to each other in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.